Yeah, hello everybody and welcome back. Thank you very much for tuning. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Yeah, we'll start today's live trading, right? But first of all, let me try to inform some of our group members because it is very important for us to kind of inform them before we start it. You know, please, guys, if you have any question, don't forget the comment section. You just comment whatsoever type of question that you have right there. I will be able to answer you right there as well. Because it is very important for us to support each other, right? That's the reason why we are even here. So yeah, we're about to start now. We're about to start. We're about to start. We have 25 minutes left for London session, right? So we'll start with the London session, then probably we'll dive into New York session as well. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Thank you very much for checking on us today. This is live and direct right here in our ITT or Israel Trader Studio or office, right? So thank you very much for tuning. So right now, we will start our live trading right here and right now. So yeah. Hello, everybody. I see you guys. Godwin, it's a blessed day. Yeah, a blessed day indeed. And God bless you as well. Joker, hi everybody. Couldn't miss out on today's trading. Ebesu Emmanuel, you welcome everybody. Yo, Jamil Pura, welcome, bro. We are here. DJ Esa, wow, that's cool, that's cool. It is very good that you guys are coming to this live trading, right? So we got about 23 minutes left for us to enter the London session. But first of all, if you guys have any pair that you want us to trade or you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you, just go down to comment section, write it down over there. I'll be able to see it and I'll check it out for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. If you have any trading group that maybe this kind of information will be valuable for them, just share it with them as well so that they can find it informative as well. So but give this video a thumbs up first before we continue. Yeah, welcome Emmanuel. We love your energy, bro. More wins. Thank you very much for tuning in as well. So yeah, we are here trying to check some pairs, right? So like I said earlier on, that if you have any particular pair that you guys want me to kind of analyze or trade in today's live trading session, then from there I will try to do it for you guys, right? Yeah. I see everybody is still coming. GBP USD. GBP USD is one of our trade, uh in our premium channel, right? Yeah, bro. I've already analyzed the GBP USD for us, and Manny, you are one of my students, and you should be able to know that, right? The GBP USD. Okay, let me just try to show you the. This is the GBP USD, as you can see. Let's just be straightforward, right? So GBP USD, still expecting a buy. Let me try to hide all of this. This is the GBP USD. So right now, don't be panic. Don't just panic because of all these pullbacks and so on. This is how GBP USD and Euro USD does before it start moving in the right direction, right? So all of these move that you are kind of seeing, they just want to get some accounts and burn out some account first before you start moving in the right direction. So right now, this is GBP USD. I got my analysis, got everything right here, right now. So as you can see, I'm still watching it, and definitely it's gonna go to the upside. As you can see, my trend line got broken right now. I had a retest on this previous broken ranging market, right? So right now, I'm expecting it to continue going up to the upside, man. That's what I'm expecting on this particular pair, being GBP USD. And if you want us to trade this GBP USD live and direct right now, we will start it when we enter the London session, because 19 minutes more in order for us to enter the London session right here. So let's just continue with the checking some first before we go ahead and start trading, right? Yeah. I see everybody's coming. Can you analyze GBP USD? Okay, gold, please. Somebody is saying gold, right? We're trying to check gold as well. We'll check it. We'll check it. And okay, Euro JPY. Yeah, we're trying to check Euro JPY as well. Then yes, sir, but it keeps going back and yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have to be patient, because especially Euro USD and Euro no Euro USD and this GBP USD. This is what they are doing. They'll first of all go down the wrong way first before going in our direction, in the right path, right? Excuse me. So yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. That's how you can encourage me to say, hey Israel, we like what you're doing right here, man. So that's why I kind of encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, with your traders, with you know, a lot of people out there. They like it. What should be the lot size for a $100 account? Okay, somebody's asking what should be the lot size for a $100 account. If you are kind of a trading $100 account, remember your lot sizes is going to be according to your risk to reward ratio, or according to your trade setup, right? So let's say, for example, that if you are risking about 30 pips, then your take profit is 60 pips, right? So I'm just kind of encouraging you guys that you should just at least go for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. At least go for 1 to 2. Never go for 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. And risk just 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 of your account size first on your first trade. Remember that should be on your first trade. Then on your either second or third trade. And there's something that we call compounding in the forex trading, right? So as you just risk 1 to 3% of your account size, and you started with the maybe 0.01 lot size or 0.02, but it's going to be depending on your on the pips that you are risking on your account, right? So if it is so, then you compound along the way. I teach this to my students as well. You compound along the way. This is one of the things that some of them are still struggling to kind of adapt to, but we are still on it. So yeah, real quick, I'll try to be checking your this space that you guys give us, right? Let me try to check the comment section so that I can start with them. So somebody is saying Euro JPY. We got Euro JPY. Let me grab my notes notebook right here so that I don't forget any one of your peer, right? So somebody said we should analyze or trade the, I think it's gold, right? Somebody said gold. Gold XAUUSD. XAUSD. Then we got Euro JPY. And that's it, right? Yeah, Mr. Ifan, I see you, man. So yeah, if you still have any pair that you guys want us to, okay, USD ROB, USD SEC, and GBP JPY. Okay, USD ROB. GBP JPY, Euro USD. Okay. So we'll try to check all of these pairs. Anyone that we have potential entry point, or we see we kind of like the setup, we'll just execute our trade, and we do it like GJ, right? So GJ, they move with GU. So GJ and GU, they move together. So I'll be expecting GBP JPY to continue buying from where it is. Yeah. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. So let's start with analyzing gold first, because we are 30 minutes to enter into the London session, right? But first of all, if any of you have questions to ask me now. When we start trading, I will be able to kind of answer your question, right? So it is very important for you to ask your question right now, so that I can answer them before we dive into London session. So right here, the comment section is still open. We are there and waiting for your answer. I mean, waiting for your question. NZD USD. Okay. I will try to check NZD USD as well. How do know an order block? Desmond, Desmond. What is Can you just clarify your question? I kind of not understand what do you mean. Okay, how do know an order block? Just clarify it. I'll try to answer it. I don't understand what you mean. So what made you enter a buy on GJ yesterday? Yeah, GJ. We started the analysis on the daily time frame, right? So we started the analysis for GBP JPY analysis on the daily time frame. Where is the So this is GBP JPY right now. So if I go down to 1 hour time frame, you gotta see what's happening. Even GBP JPY is going to buy, guys. Just believe me. Since we will be trading live today, you will see that GBP JPY it will still buy right now. It will still buy. It will still buy. So GBP JPY, yeah, I would say expect a buy on this particular period, Though this is 1 hour time frame. So this might be what is going to happen for GBP JPY, but we are still we will still expect a breakout of this level first before we can say okay GBP JPY will continue buy, right? So we need to break out of this, of which today we'll break out of this level either during the London session or during the New York session. Either way, we need to break out of it. So GBP JPY also, I'm still expecting a kind of a buy on this particular pair as well. So this is not the main analysis. I'm just kind of trying to bring out some levels right here before we consider it as it will go to the upside or to the downside, because right now, yeah, that's it for GBP JPY. Hope my screen is not frozen today, guys. And also, can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? Just let me know down in the comment section. How do you find an order block on the chart? Order block. Mr. Israel, your analysis on V75 on 28 of this. I look for it on your YouTube channel. I couldn't find it. I think that's an upload for. Was it not a live or live analysis? I think it was a live analysis, right? I think it was a live analysis. So it's there on my YouTube channel. I put everything, anything that I'm doing right here, I put it. Okay, yes, we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. All is good. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, GBP JPY, I think it will be our first trade, right? Because I kind of like the setup right there again. So right now, let me try to tell you what's exactly is happening on this particular GBP JPY. So as you guys can see that the market right here made what I call the higher low, right? So this is what I call higher low. So this is a high move right here. Another high low. This is high low, so another retracement for an alternative market. As you can see where I'm putting the all of these things. So this is high, and this is another high low. So right here it is another high, because this is how an alternative market moves, right? High low. But before you started buying, um but before you start buying, this point right here, it was double top. So this was a double top formation. And this one, it is what I call triple top formation. So as you can see, we will try and analyze all of these pairs, guys, so that you can understand and be profitable in the forex market. Because my mission right here, it is to unblock the forex secret. So we will try to unblock everything. I'll try to expose everything that you need in order for you to be profitable in the forex market, right? So I'm just kind of giving you idea of how the forex market moves right here, right? So right now I will go and grab my long position. So to go for about 100 pips. So we'll be going for 100 pips today, right, on this particular pair being GBP JPY. So this is 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. As you can see, we are about to buy this particular pair right now and right here, live and direct. So GBP JPY, buy right now. Buy GBP JPY right now. So we are saying buy GBP JPY right now. I'm going to execute my trade right here. Let me try to execute my trade. I'm buying GBP JPY, guys, right now. Like, kind of like the setup. Boom. I'm buying GBP JPY. Boom. Boom. Let's go, man. GJ, here we go again today, So I already bought GBP JPY. I bought GBP JPY. Okay, let me try to send it to our group so that because there is a lot of factors that of which I checked right here, right now. Just that small analysis that I did. You guys might be thinking, hey Israel, what are you seeing in this forex market? There's nothing happening. Nothing is going on, right? I'm not going to tell you what exactly is happening on this, but remember, we are risking about 50 pips on this particular trade. We are risking 50 pips. So remember that always. I will try and give you the stop loss, take profit, and things like that down in the comment section, right? But I'm trying to update some of our Telegram users that maybe they are not able to make it to the live trading, right? So let me just send it to them. Then we continue to monitor our trade and check out some pairs as well, because we are not just going to trade the um, GBP JPY. I'm trying to update. If you are on Telegram, you will see that I just sent one message there right now, right? So I'm just trying to update you guys right there as well, because it is very important for you to know what is happening. So right now we just stepped into the London session. Right here, it is a time for us to start monitoring our trade, because right now we are in London session. Because some pairs might get crazy right now, so it will be very, very volatile. So we have to just be monitoring our trade right here. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, I think yep, I think I've informed everybody now about the live trade and things like that on our Telegram channel, right? Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So we bought GJ. GJ is our first trade. So first trade on GBP JPY analysis done on the 1 hour time frame, right? So analysis done on the 1 hour time frame. Come on, GJ. So let's try to update you guys on the for the take profit, stop loss, and things like that. Right now, we start going up to the upside right here, live and direct. So there's nothing like hidden secret, nothing. We buy, and right now, GJ is moving. GJ is moving. Come on, GJ. Come on, DJ. Let's go, man. So yeah, let me try to update you guys about the stop loss, take profit, and things like that, right? So that you can have exact stop loss and exact take profit, like my own, right here, live and direct, trading from ITT or Israel the Trader office. We are not playing right here, guys. Um, we are all about being real and do it right and the rightful way. So our check profit is right here on the screen. 30 pips check profit. Let me try to modify my trade. That's our first check profit right there. 135.793. That's the first check profit. So I will try to put the first, second, and third check profit. So second check profit is going to be somewhere right here. Second check profit is 50 pips. 135.991. There's a reason behind why I'm putting my first check profit, second check profit like this, right? I remember our final check profit is 100 pips. So let me try to go down to 1 hour time frame to get the final check profit, which is 100 pips, right? Um, where is that? So our final check profit is going to be 136 136.481. That's the final check profit. Then our stop loss is 134.978. 978. That's the stop loss. Okay, let me update you now, guys, on the first check profit, second check profit, and also our final check profit being the third check profit, right? Let me answer somebody in my live on my premium group chat. Somebody's asking of about stop loss and check profit. So yeah, that's it. So let me go down to where I will send you guys the stop loss, check profit, and yeah, I'm updating you guys the TP1, TP2, TP3, and stop loss right now. You know, we are not playing right here, man. TP1. Yeah, I will send the TP, stop loss, all of that, all of that. Since we are trading together, you have to have what I have right here as well, right? But let me start with the stop loss. Stop loss is going to be, so I'm typing the stop loss, just hold on. 134.978. So we got TP1 as well, which is going to be 135 dot 135.793. Then TP2, we got about is this TP2 or TP3? 135. Let me try to confirm something, guys. Um, okay, it is TP2. 135 and 135. Remember, guys, we are risking about 50 pips right here. So 50 pips is our stop loss. 991. Dot 991. So our trade now is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So if we are risking about 50 pips, our take profit is 100 pips. So that's a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So 991, right? Okay, that's our second take profit. Then TP3 is gonna be, 136 and dot 4H1. So this is the TP3 as well, but I'll try to write them on the screen so that you guys can be seeing it all. Some people that will be kind of joining us, they will see it as well. Don't be skeptical, guys. Today's trade again, don't be skeptical. I'm still same person who traded yesterday, and I'm still person who traded today, and we are still trading again live and direct. So we are not changing. No, we are not changing. Let's go down to, so right here. Let me try to write out the false TP, stop loss, and things like that. So stop loss is going to be 134 dot the 978. So that's our, so I'm just trying to update you guys so that everything will be right here on screen. uh there won't be any excuses, nothing. So just set your stop loss, set take profit, set everything so that all of us can be profitable in the forex market, right? So yeah, let me finish writing out the check profit, second check profit, and the third take profit. I mean, the first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit. It is very important. What am I doing? So this color is going to be right. So this is going to be our first take profit here. So this is going to be first take profit, which is a 135 dot 135 dot 793. So let me say equals to, how many pips is that? 30 plus pips. No. As you can see, yeah, I'm trying to update everything so that you can be understanding what exactly is happening, right? So let me update TP2, which is gonna be, no, let me try to copy that so that it can be very simple and easy. So these live, guys, you gotta be patient, you have to be patient because this is live. uh, I'm I'm trying to edit everything because it's not going to be like the one that I do send, buy this, do this, and things like that. So right here, so this is going to be 50 pips. So our final take profit is 100 pips, right? GBP wants to start misbehaving. uh, it's 100 plus pips, and it is 135 or 136. I'm trying to check it. Confirm it, please. 1364 for H1. For H1. And this one is I'm trying to check it. 135.991. Come on, there you go. You have your first take profit. Okay, this is supposed to be TP3, not TP1. Yeah. So that's that. So you have your first TP, second TP. Let me try and lock them so that it won't be as if I'll be shifting them back and forth. Yeah. So right there, we got our first take profit, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, right there on the screen, right? Hope everybody can see it. Let me go down to the comment section. Maybe some of you guys do TP3 is the same as your TP1. What is that? Somebody say Israel to be focused, just plot horizontal lines. Too much work for you, right? Uh, okay, maybe we should just. Okay, maybe I should just consider putting the horizontal ray, right? I got horizontal ray right here. So for say profit is 135,793. 793. 793, right? Let me try to get it. No, went to 794. 790. I mean how it is. Can't get this right, guys. Let's just leave it to at this guy forceful English always make me laugh. Continue laughing. This is how people that knows me in real life. See, guys, everybody has been complaining about this. They have, they have been complaining about it, saying, "Hey, Israel, how are you talking like this?" That's about me. So, no, don't worry. I'm not just going to tell you about my biography and things like that. No, I'm not going to tell you about my biography right here. Let's just focus on GBP JPY. So anyhow it is, we'll try to see how far we can go about this. So this is going to be our first TP. First TP, and I will reduce it to about 20, no, 24. Yeah, I think So that's the first TP here. Then our second TP is 135991. Exactly. That second TP, which is 50 pips, right? So let me try to specify that. This is, so this is 30 plus pips. Sorry. And this is how I used to edit a lot of things, guys. If I'm just about to send either first TP, second TP, or third TP to my students. Okay, that's 50 plus pips. Nah. So I can go ahead and start deleting these ones. So yeah, we're trying to be checking some of the pairs that we have, and our final take profit is you can see it right here on this YR, right? So our final take profit is here, but let me go down to 5 minutes time frame so that we can clear it. So let's try to focus on this first and second take profit first before we continue with what we are supposed to be doing. Yeah, GJ is trying to go and retest this previous support line, right? So let's just wait for it to do whatsoever I want to do. Settings. Where's the come on? Okay. Okay, yeah, there we go now. So we have our GBP as our first trade today, right? So right here, I've told you guys that we are risking 50 pips on this particular trade. So yeah, let's try to go ahead and start analyzing all of these pairs that you guys gave me. Before we focus on this GBP buy signal. Let me just try to delete that so I can go down to 1 hour time frame and monitor my trade. Yeah, for sure. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. So it's gonna go to the upside. Where is the, so we got XAUSD again. So let's go down and analyze XAUUSD being gold, right? As you can see, I still have my analysis and everything on gold as well. But right now, I'm seeing gold also is coming down to retest this level. So yeah, I had analysis on this particular pair being gold, and as you can see, broke out of my this is my triangle, right? So broke out of it, retest, and right now coming up for another retracement. This is daily time frame anyway. I've done the analysis already and everything. So yeah, this is gold daily time frame, right? So we can go down to 4 hour time frame and see what's happening. As you can see, this is what is happening for gold on daily time frame. But right now, I will not be interested in selling this gold. If you go down to 1 hour time frame, you'll see what is happening right here again. As you can see, if you come down to this level, uh, so wait for breakout. That's the best time to trade this particular pair. Wait for breakout of this, either to the upside or to the downside. Well, let me go down to daily time frame again. As you can see, I've already done my support and the resistance line on the daily time frame already. So go down to 4 hour time frame, spot out my another support and resistance again. Go down to 1 hour time frame, still waiting for breakout to the upside or to the downside. It depends on where the breakout happens. Yeah, it's as if GJ is breaking to the downside, right? GJ is breaking to the downside. That's what I'm seeing right now. As you can see, but remember, we did our stop loss and everything, no need to panic. So, not panicking, we are still here. So, you're just coming down to retest this level before going up, right? Of course, the move is kind of strong, but I'm swing my trades, not fair, nothing. Do your stop loss, take profit, and things like that. Then just get into the trade and wait for what is going to happen, right? Because right now we know exactly what is our stop loss is, what is our take profit are, right? So we are just waiting for the move to happen. So let's continue with the gold analysis, which is XAUUSD. Did I just delete the first take profit, second take profit text that I wrote here? So this is gold 1 hour time frame, right? So right now, gold might just come down and retest to this level before it continue going to the upside. So if you double click, you can edit the number on the horizontal. Now there's nothing happened to the numbers that I see right there. Nothing happened to the numbers on GJ. Where is that GBPJPY? Um, so let me just write that, specify that. I'm expecting GBPJPY to buy, right? Not a selling market. I'm not interested in selling it. I'm not interested in selling this particular pair being GBP JPY. That's why we bought it right here. So let's see how far we can go with this. That's why it is very important to calculate your stop loss, calculate your take profit, and once you get into the trade, you can know how much you're going to be losing and how much you're going to be earning. Like me personally, if this GBP JPY hits stop loss, I know I'm going to be losing $500. $500. That's what I'm going to be losing on this particular trade once it hits stop loss. So I'm okay with that. Because as you can see that my lot size is one standard loss. I split it in five positions because I'll try to put my first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit on all of them, right? So yeah, let's go down to gold, Mr. Gold, so that yep, so we're on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm seeing a lot of changes right here on this particular pair being XAUUSD, right? So this is a perfect triple bottom formation. Let me just be highlighting some of these things. Should I put it here? No. Triple bottom. This is triple bottom formation right there. Then you got your lower high, high low, and right there. Now these are equal lows. This is what we call equal lows, and this is lower high. So uh, this is lower high, and this is a higher high. So since things like this happen, what I'm expecting for this particular pair to do now is I'm trying to be locking them up so that to come down and retest this before it will go up to the upside, right? So right now I'm still seeing some sort of moves to the downside on this particular pair being XAUSD to just come down and retest this previous zone before it will shoot to the upside. So let me try and grab my stop loss is going to be somewhere around yeah, definitely if the market break out of this and continue going down, let me try to check my Fibonacci retracement. So if you place your fib retracement, as you can see, this is my 50%, and right there I have my previous resistance line, right? So it might come down to 61%. So definitely our stop loss is going to be right at where it is right now. So this is where our stop loss is supposed to be. That's where our stop loss is supposed to be. Then we'll be expecting a breakout to happen to this previous high, right? To this our previous support level. Um, yep. So Yeah, as you can see, this is my setup right now on this particular gold. So I will see what is going to happen in the meantime. And also I'm still seeing another support level right here. This was a resistance line, and right now trying to act as support. If you just observe that, so it might react to that. And how many percent is that on Fibonacci retracement? So that's about, it's not even up to 3%, 38%. So I would expect it to come down to 38% before it will start going up, right? So yeah, I'm expecting this particular pair to buy, but let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. So right here, do you guys have any question regarding this analysis on this particular pair with XAUUSD, so that I can know exactly if you guys are following, or you guys, if you guys are not following, because it is very very important for you to know that I mean, it is very important for me to know if you guys are following, so that I can know how far I can amend some things, right? Come on, I'm expecting um your comments, so that I can know how far we doing. As you can see, this gold is trying to reject this level. Let me try to go to 5 minutes time frame. Yeah. So as you can see, gold is trying to reject this my support level right here. So expect a breakout of this. This is 5 minutes time frame though. So anything that is going to be happening here is just for us to have a like scalp it, or this is not like scalping. It's going to be some hours of trade, right? So let's wait for breakout of this. Once you break out and retest, then we get in for the buy, because I'm seeing that the gold is trying to react to this support that we found right here on this 1 hour time frame. If you guys can see this particular support that we are seeing right here. See guys, it is very important for you to put your support and resistance line if you are trading the price action and naked chart, right? And as you can see, I'm seeing another price action candle right here. That's what we call a hanging man. Let me just call it out. So hanging man, that's what I call, that. So you guys are seeing how I do things if I'm trading alone, right? So all of these things, this is how I do them if I'm trading on either on my account, or I'm trying to send the signals to my students, right? What is it? Double and triple bottom. Yeah, double and triple bottom. We have a we have double top, triple top, and double bottom, triple bottom, right? So that's how we trade them. Those are the market patterns. Remember, in this forex market, we have market structure, and also we have market patterns. So right here, when we talk of the double bottom, double top, triple bottom, we are talking about the market structure. I mean market pattern, because it is not only double bottom, double top, and things like that we have in market pattern. We have bunch of them. But when it comes to market structure, we have the uptrending market, downtrending market, and ranging market, right? Of course, I do explain to my students how they can trade all of that. Those are the first thing that I explain to them in my video, and that's how we go about that. So this GBP JPY, the trader we took still trying to misbehave, right? So we are still in drawdown. Me personally, I'm in drawdown as well, but don't allow the drawdown to kind of take control or kind of make you upset. Nah, we are minus 20 pips right now on this GBP JPY trade. Minus 20. Is it up to minus 20? Let me try and now we are minus 13 pips. 13 pips. We are negative 13 pips on GBP JPY. So we are still expecting the market to go up. That's it. But yeah, we are still expecting the market to go up. Minus 13 pips on this, and let's go down to gold so we can see what is happening. Yeah, as you can see, gold also we are still expecting a breakout on XA UUSD. So the next pair that we have right here, it is Euro JPY. So let's go down and see how far we can deal with the Euro JPY as well. So this is Euro JPY. This is daily time frame anyway. Oh wow, this is interesting. That's what happened on this GBP JPY. As you can see, the market was moving to the downside, broke out of it, retest again, boom, continue going up, and I'm seeing the market just came down and retest this previous support resistance line right here. As you can see, we have something going on right here on the daily time frame. Remember, as you can see guys, once we are doing analysis, we are making things very very simple. Once you know what you are doing in the forex market, you find out that everything is very very simple and easy to do, right? So if your stop loss hit, your take profit hit, it's still okay. The only thing is that at least let's try to make our profit exceed our losing, right? So if you lose much, or let me try to see something. Okay. Yeah, so I'm still expecting this GBP JPY to still buy to the upside. No need to panic. And remember, I've already did the stop loss and everything. Stop loss is about 50 pips, so you know how much you are going to be losing if it goes against us, right? So right here, let's continue with the Euro JPY analysis. This is Euro JPY now, but this is daily time frame. I just put my support and things like that on the daily time frame. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame so you can see what's going on. So as you can see, that's what happened on this particular pair being Euro JPY for our time frame. So let's put our support and resistance right here so that we can know what is happening. But as you can see, these are our support and resistance, but I'm seeing another thing right though. So that's that. And okay. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Because I'm seeing some error messages right here from YouTube saying that they are experiencing some grammar like that. YouTube is not receiving the expert that we hear. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Because YouTube just informed me about some errors. So that's why I was thinking that maybe you guys can hear me, right? That was a mess up. I didn't mean to put that. Okay, so we'll continue with this Euro JPY. Where we are. Okay, that's cool. Sorry guys. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Yeah, come on. I was away now, but now we are back. We are back. We're back. So yeah, let's continue with this Euro JPY. But first of all, let's try to check our trade being GBP JPY, right? Let's see how far is GBP JPY going. Where is it right now at the moment? Come on, GJ. GJ is trying to come up now, for sure. Yeah, GJ. So let me try and be. No, no. Let me not just be exposing everything right here on YouTube. Let me just reserve some for my students. And also, just a quick reminder, guys. I see a lot of people asking me about the VIP and the premium channel, right? So what basically we are offering in the VIP and the premium channel. Sorry for that. I'm just trying to kind of inform some people that has been asking me about all of these things, right? So in VIP, what is happening right there is just normal signals. So there's nothing like a group chat or you ask me question or try to do anything. But this week, the VIP and the premium channel, we are just trading some of the trade that I didn't trade it on the YouTube or before the before New York session, right? Because in the VIP and the premium channel, we trade New York session as of now, because we are trading the London session on YouTube right here, right? So that's the reason why we are trading a New York session. So what do you get in the premium channel? You get access to our premium group chat. You get access to ask me questions, and we have a lot of good traders right there as well. And some of them right now, I see them right here in this live trading, right? So they can attest to that. So also you get access to the Signal group chat. I mean, any signal that I'm going to be sending is going to be available on our premium channel as well. So if you join the uh, premium, when my website is out, you will get it. And okay, Ali, how you doing, man? I see you right here. So if my website is out, you have access to the website, and the website is going to be having a lot of video presentation of my strategy and of my of my work and how you can be profitable as a forex trader, right? And also that will be we are working on PDF as well, so they will have access to my PDF file and things like that. But if you are in the VIP channel, all you get is just signals. There's nothing much more than that. So you just get in the signal in the VIP signals channel. So that's just the difference. So VIP channel is just signal, nothing much, nothing less, no analysis, nothing, only signal. Buy this, or I'm buying this, I'm selling this. Then I'll send you stop loss, take profit, and things like that before you continue your trade, right? So that's the difference. So right here it is the GBP JPY, and right now we are still expecting this GJ to come up into profit, right? Because right now we are negative 8 pips. We are minus 8 pips on GBP JPY right now. Minus 8 pips. Minus 8 pips. So this is our first take profit, and second take profit. We are waiting for it to come up on here. And remember, our first take profit is 30 pips plus 30 pips. As you can see right there is 30.6 pips. If you can see this number right here, it is 30.6, right? So it means that from our entry point to where the first take profit is, it is 30.6 pips. And if you measure it from our entry point again to second take profit, and as you can see, it is 50.9 pips, right? So it is 50.9 pips. So right now we are waiting for GBP JPY to be in profit, as we are negative 9 pips right now. So as you can see, gold is just reacting to this my support line. So if you want to just get into this gold trade, this is the right time, or wait for about 6 minutes, because it is about 6 minutes left for this particular 1 hour candle to close, right? So let's try and wait for 6 minutes, and after this candle close, you can get in for the buy with 0.01. Don't enter this gold trade with 0.5, one standard lot. That will wipe out your account, man. It will wipe away your account. So if you try to mess around right here, gold is going to play you. That's okay. Is an very volatile pair, right? So trade carefully and know how to trade this particular gold, And another thing though, you can still wait for a breakout on this 5-minute time frame. This 5-minute time frame, so you can still wait for breakout to happen, or breakout of this trend line, retest right here before it will start going up to the upside. So we are still expecting a lot of moves on this particular pair being gold, right? But I'm expecting it to go all the way to the upside for buy. So that's what I'm seeing on this particular setup being gold. Come on, GJ. GJ is trying to mess around, you know. But we are patient enough to wait for this GBP, JPY, and also XA USD being gold, right? So you have to be patient and you have to treat your accounts fairly, right? What do I mean by treat your account fairly is because you have to you have to do calculate your stop loss, safe profit, and risk only 2% or 1 to 3%. That's the maximum. You start from the 1% to 3%. That's the maximum that you can risk on your account, right? It is very, very important for you to do very good risk management, because your goal right here as a trader, it is to protect your capital. Always protect your capital. Come on, GJ. We are still on GJ. Oh, wow, we are having a lot of messages. And just a quick reminder, guys, if you are new here, my name is Israel, and I'm popularly known as Israel the Trader, right? But my full name, or my name, is just Israel Nicodemus Yakubu, right? So we are right here trading this GBP JPY live. So if today's your first time right here, or today's your first time knowing my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also share it with your friends and family, so that's how I can know that you guys really like what I'm doing right here, and that's how you can show me, okay, hey Israel, we are supporting you, and what we like what you're doing right here. So please and please, guys, subscribe and like the video. Let's continue. Let's go down to our GBP JPY. So yeah, we still have about so many pairs here. We still have USD ROB, USD SEG, we have Euro USD, and we have NZD USD, right? Of course, we're trying to check them as well, but we just check the XA USD, Euro JPY, and GBP JPY right now. So hopefully we check Euro JPY, right? Did we check Euro JPY? Okay, we checked Euro JPY, but we didn't finish the analysis. I think so. Okay, yeah, that's cool. We did not finish the analysis for this particular paper being Euro JPY. So we'll try to finish it as soon as possible, because that will be very, very important as well. Yeah, we're trying to finish the Euro JPY analysis first, then we continue. Okay. I'm trying to do something. Well, let me put it on the. Come on, GJ. GJ's trying to mess around, man. And of course, don't be scared about this GBP JPY trade, bro. And we have already done our stop loss, take profit, and things like that. So once we hit our stop loss, still okay. We look out for another trade. Once we hit our take profit, still okay. We take it, right? So that's how it is. Yeah, sorry guys, had some interruptions, right? So let me just try and be checking some things right here before we continue. I'm trying to check some things as well, I'm trying to check my trade and some things like that because it is very very important for me to be checking it. Yeah, and as well, please and please don't panic. Just stop panicking, and the only thing there is that don't allow emotion to control your trade, right? Once emotion is controlling your trade, definitely you'll be emotionally upset or emotionally unstable, right? That's why you won't be able to kind of be profitable trading market, trading forex. Yeah, guys, we are still on GJ. GJ is just trying to misbehave, but we are here, so we're in for it. So I'm still expecting GJ to come up and hit a first take profit, but I don't know why this forex factory has not been opening on my desktop since yesterday. I need to check out some fundamental analysis as well so that I can know what's going on in a fundamental world, right? Because it is very important for you to check what's going on. Uh, which type of news is going on and things like that. So far, you are forex trader, right? It is very important. Yep, we are still here. So yeah, let's go down and continue analyzing this Euro JPY as we expect this particular GBP JPY to buy all the way to the upside. But right here, it is the Euro JPY for our time frame, right? And as you can see, we plot our support and resistance on this for our time frame. So I'm still expecting it to continue going up to the upside, but first of all, it has to break out of this level. As you can see, we still have another thing right here. Of course, I'll not mention what I'm saying right there, but if you know what is there, you know you know. There's nothing like saying I don't know or things like that. Nah. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame so we can see what's going on. Yup. As you can see, this 1 hour time frame. Let me try to specify this with this line, right? Hopefully you guys can see that. And there's another thing I'm seeing right here as well. But this is going to be like this. Because I'm putting this on 1 hour time frame, I will change the color to be this way. So this horizontal ray that I'm putting, it will kind of tell me my support and resistance on 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, what happened right here. So the reason why I put my support, my resistance, and it turns to support right here, it is because as you can see the market. Let me try to specify that. The market came down like this. Where is the market came down, boom, trying to be choppy right here before it went up, came down again, boom, continue going down to the downside, right? So as you can see, the market was kind of choppy right here. So this place acted as a resistance level, and that's the reason why you are saying it is acting as a support right here now. So once it broke out of this level, definitely to come down and retest this particular zone that we are seeing right here, as the market was kind of trying to be choppy before it started going to the upside. Market makers are trying to take control of this market, man, because they know that we are going to be buying all these kind of setups. So now try to manipulate the market, right? So if you are not using indicators, if you are not using anything, you are just using a price action and naked chart to trade, you don't have nobody to to kind of blame. So all you do is just to blame yourself and blame the market makers. So at times, it's not every time that you're going to be blaming yourself or things like that. So market makers are trying to manipulate this GBP JPY right now, but they don't manipulate GBP USD that kind of much. It's only this GBP or JPY, right? And of course, we are still waiting for. Let me try to check. Let's just finish the Euro JPY. Oh, I've already told you what I'm expecting on Euro JPY, right? So Euro JPY, it might continue going up from here or come down and retest this level again before shooting up to the upside. But right now, we are not going to trade this particular pair based on the fact that on 4 hour time frame, we have to see that the market break out of this and retest to this point before it will go up to the upside, if you know what I'm saying right here. So it might come down and retest this level, or we wait for a breakout of this because this was previous support line, and you know that in a downtrending market, support is turning to resistance. Support is turning to resistance, right? So if you try to put your trend line, you know that you are going to get something. You are going to get something like this. You are going to get something like this if you try to put your trend line, but we are not going to be focusing on this. And also, you can wait for breakouts to happen right on this point before uh, we buy it, right? Of course, we know that if you go down to daily time frame, the overall trend I'm seeing is a buy, right? It's gonna go to the upside, but right now, because of this zone right here, so that's why we are going to be waiting for breakout to happen. Then we enter for buy, or yeah, we will enter for buy. Definitely, once the breakout happen, it's not going to be a sell. Break out of the retest, boom, continue going up to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting for this GBP JPY to do first before we consider this as a buy setup. So let me know down in the comment section below if the analysis is making sense, and what we are doing is making sense. Just trying to let me know down in the comments. And if there's any place that you didn't understand, just hit me up. Hey Israel, I don't understand this. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by this? Because it is because of you I'm doing the live stream right here, right? So if you don't understand, it doesn't make sense for me. So at least if you understand, I'll now know, okay, I'm working with some people, right? So it is very, very good. Okay, you are asking about stop loss price, right? So stop loss price is, listen to it. So stop loss is 134.978. 134.978. Stop loss for GBP JPY by signal 134.978 for GBP JPY. And of course, I told you guys that we are risking 50 pips on the GBP JPY, right? So no need for you to be panicking. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, things like that. So control your emotion, trade calm and don't ever add more position to a losing trade. Never. Don't ever add more position to a losing trade expecting that the market is going to go in your direction, right? Never do that. So if the market didn't start going in your direction, or if the market didn't hit your first take profit and come down for retracement, after retracement you add more position. But if you are in losing trade, you add more position. Definitely, just believe me, that's not how they used to trade. You know that some people they won't tell you all these kind of things. All that matters in this forex market, guys, is just knowledge. Knowledge matters. Nothing is much more important than for you to get knowledge about what we are doing right here in the forex market. So as we are speaking, let me try to go to GBP JPY so that we can know. Okay, GJ, come on, let's go, man. So GJ is about to be in profit again. Then we'll start laughing, right? Because right now I know some people, they are angry with Israel. Hey Israel, you make me to be my negative. My account is red and things like that, right? Just calm down, calm down. The analysis says it's gonna go to the upside. So I'm still expecting it to go to the upside. Come on, man. Don't be like me to be like I don't want a drawdown. I don't want drawdown. I don't want this and things like that, right? Drawdown does happen, man. Drawdown does happen. It's part of the game. Even stop loss hit is part of the game. Take profit hit is part of the game. The other thing is trade wisely. Trade wisely and know where stop loss is, know where take profit is, and know where to put your first, second, and third take profit if you trade like that. Because some people they just uh, trade without securing some profit, right? So it is very important for you. 30 pips, you take your first take profit. 50 pips, you take your second take profit. It is very, very important. Don't just continue trading without knowing where your first take profit is, without knowing where your second take profit is. You are just trading blindly. So if the market go to your last take profit, thank God for that. But at times, it's not every time there is nothing is going to be happening. Remember our GBP JPY trade yesterday? We took our first take profit and the market came down for a retracement, right? And of course, as you can see, GBP JPY is trying to retrace again against us, right? But the analysis say it's gonna go to the upside, so we are expecting for the GBP JPY to go all the way to the upside. And of course, what we are going to be expecting from this particular pair now to do is we wait for it to break out of this resistance before we can now know, okay, the GG is gonna go in a direction, right? So we'll be expecting a breakout of this our resistance line right here. So yeah, we are expecting this GBP JPY to break out of this and possible retest again before we can add more position or trade all the way to our second take profit and third take profit if possible that we can make it today, right? Because as you usually know that I'm a swing trader and I don't scalp. I think we are scalper, we would have scalped the market as a sell right here to come down to this point and take about all of these pips, right? But we are no scalpers, and I'm not teaching you how to be a scalper. So what we are doing right here now, it is what we call day trading. So right now it is a day trade, not a scalping. So scalpers, what all they need is to catch about 10 pips and things like that. So this move that you see right here now, it is about 16 pips, right? So if there are scalpers right here, they will have taken advantage of this particular move and scalp it, take their profit and relax, wait for another move. So that's how it does happen. And of course, GJ now is trying to be in profit, right? So I'm happy for that. That we are not negative anymore, because there are a lot of people now, they will have cut my head off. Hey Israel, what are you saying? What are you saying? Right now, my account is red, right? Well, come here, come here. You cut off my head. No, sorry for that. It was just a drawdown, you know. It was just a drawdown. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. Price creating a higher loss. Looking at the current chart, I can see price creating a higher loss. We're trying to see what's going to happen, right? The next move that I'm expecting now is higher high. Not only creating a high low, I'm seeing some sort of price action signals right here. That's the reason why I'm sending you guys these signals and things like that, because you are saying maybe you are seeing the market is coming down for higher low, lower low, things like that, and you are saying I'm going to buy this. No, the market is just going to play you off, and you'll be surprised what's going to happen, right? So just try and exercise patience, trade carefully. Try and trade carefully. It is very, very important. Come on, GJ. So GJ is finally back in profit. So now we are no more in drawdowns, but we'll see if GJ will continue buying, right? Because I'm expecting this particular pair to buy all the way to the upside to our first and second take profit, and possibly third take profit, which is our final take profit. Because this is a day trading, so we won't be able to kind of do it as our intraday trading or swing trading, right? So it is very important for us to be mindful of our trade right here. Now I'm not interested in adding more position on this GJ right now, because I've done my risk reward ratio, I've done everything. So right now, as you can see, I'm not going to add any position. I'll wait for breakout to happen. Once breakout happen and retest, that's when I can say, okay, I will add more position right on this GJ, because right now it's still very risky if you add more position. So I'm not saying you should add more position right now on this GBP JPY. Don't add more position. As you can see, it's now trying to call down for another retracement, but it will still go up to the upside. So before I consider this as a valid move, I'm still expecting a breakout of this and retest before I can say that, okay, I can add more position on this particular trade, right? So this is what is gonna happen. So this is what I'm expecting this GBPJPY to do. So this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. I'm expecting a breakout to happen, because you know the reason why I put my where the market will stop right here as a resistance line. If you check right on the left, you will see that that was a support line. that was a support line, and it will act as a resistance to come down, retest this previous resistance again, and continue going up to the upside. And if the market will continue going up, to still come down and retest this before it will continue shooting up to the upside, right? So of course I'm not interested in adding more lot sizes on GBP JPY. Come on, GJ. GJ is just kind of trying to misbehave, right? No, it's not going to misbehave. I know GJ is very good, good player. He's trying to keep us alive, you know. So GJ, let's go. GBP is weak today. It might not be a bar, right? Okay. Good trying to see that. Nah, I'm not trading 5 minute chart. I'm just controlling my trade on this 5 minute chart. Remember, this is not where we analyze this particular pair. Remember, the move happened on smaller time frames. I'm not trading 5 minute time frame. We did our analysis on 1 hour time frame right here. So don't get me wrong. This is the complete analysis on 1 hour time frame. We are just using the 5 minute time frame to get where we can add more lot sizes, and that's how you can compound your account. You compound on the smaller time frame, not the bigger time frame, you know. Go with the trend, man. Go with the trend. So as you can see right here, we are monitoring our trend on the 5 minute time frame or 15 minute time frame. Remember, I do talk about this every time that we are trading forex, right? So either 5 minutes or 15 minutes, that's where I do monitor some of my trades. I'm having some difficulties on my software. I mean, yeah, this software server. I'm not a computer science student. I'm just using this opportunity to do live stream. Right? It's just disconnecting and reconnecting. I don't know what's happening. What's wrong with this? Okay, yeah, I think we are back now. So yeah, you said that may not be a buy today, right? So, like I was saying, if you are not interested in the buy, you can just stop trading it and don't trade it, because I'm just sharing with you guys my personal trade, right? So this is the trade that I'm getting in on my personal account. So if I'm taking a lose, you know, if I lose my trade, I lost it, right? But I if I had hit take profit, I hit my take profit on my account, right? So if you want to maybe trade along the way with me as I'm doing the analysis or as I'm teaching you guys, you can trade it so that we can move together, right? So that's it. That's it. We are still waiting for the GBP JPY first take profit to hit. Yeah. Yeah, come on, GJ. So let's go down to, or let's check the Euro JPY first before we go down to. Okay, as you can see, UJ also is trying to react to this support line, right? So UJ might buy as well to go to the upside. So we will see what's gonna happen. As you can see, we did the analysis on the time frame. So come on, GJ. Let's go and check GBP JPY. GJ. Okay. So GJ is now in profit. How many pips? Let me try and count the pips. About 8 pips. So GJ is 8 pips moving in profit, right? So GBP JPY 8 pips in profit. So we are expecting a breakout and hit our first take profit before we wait for second take profit and to take profit as well to happen in order for us to kind of trade another pair or look out for some things, right? Gold as well. Gold is gonna buy. So let's try to see what's happening to my network. What's going on? I'm having some technical issues today, and it's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Can you guys still hear me? Let me know down in the comment below if you still hear me, because I don't know if you guys hear me right now or not, because I'm still seeing some bad signals right here. Okay, that's cool. Since you guys can hear me now, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, GJ now is trying to go right, so I'll wait for breakout. We will wait for breakout. GJ. Come on, GJ. So GBP is actually going to break out of this level. Once you break out of it, I will expect another retracement to come down and retest it again before it continues buy to the upside, right? And of course, don't forget about our first take profit right here, as it is 30 pips, right? Come on, GJ. So, do you guys like one trade in a row, or you like a lot of trade, maybe 2 or 4 or 5, or things like that? Because if you need that, we can still do it as well. I'm just asking of your opinion, right? And of course, if today is the first time right here, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Because we are looking forward to do more live streams and things like this in the near future, right? This is how you can support us, by subscribing and by sharing the video with your friends and family, also by liking the video, right? That's how you can support us. Remember, we are putting very much effort in order for me to do all this kind of live stream and look out for trade for you guys, right? So I'm here to help you. You also help the channel to go reach out to much people, right? Yeah, somebody says this way is lit. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We'll be taking a trade, just single trade like this, because if we take maybe a lot of trade, definitely we won't be able to monitor them or